You're watching Antique Hardware Supply, where we explore the design styles, details, and craftsmanship that shape the spaces we live in. Today, we're taking a closer look at the mid-century modern aesthetic, what defines it, and how lighting and hardware choices bring it to life. Mid-century modern design emerged in the mid-20th century, roughly from the 1940s through the 1960s, and continues to influence interiors today with its clean lines, functionality, and organic forms. At its core, the style balances simplicity with innovation, and nowhere is that more evident than in the lighting and hardware choices. Lighting in mid-century modern spaces is often sculptural, treated as art just as much as it is a functional fixture. Fixtures tend to feature clean silhouettes, geometric shapes, and mixed materials like brass, walnut, and opal glass. Think Sputnik chandeliers, with their atomic air influence and burst of metal arms radiating from a central core. Or saucer pendants, suspended elegantly above dining areas, casting a soft, diffuse glow. Color also plays a subtle but important role. Many fixtures incorporate matte black, brushed brass, or even bold enameled finishes in colors like avocado, teal, or burnt orange, tones that anchor a space without overpowering it. Table and floor lamps follow suit, often standing on tripod legs or arched stems. They're functional, but always with a sculptural edge, slim, deliberate, and effortlessly cool. When it comes to hardware, mid-century modern design leans toward minimalism. Doorknobs, cabinet pulls, and drawer handles are simple but thoughtfully designed. You'll often see finishes like satin brass, oil-rubbed bronze, or polished chrome, each chosen to complement, not compete with, the surrounding elements. The shapes stay streamlined: round knobs, slim rectangular pulls, and tab-style handles that practically disappear into the cabinetry. The goal is to maintain a visual flow, avoiding unnecessary ornamentation. Materials also reflect the era's love of contrast. Wood cabinetry might be paired with metal hardware, creating a tactile mix of warm and cool. In some cases, integrated pulls cut directly into drawers or cabinet faces eliminate the need for hardware altogether, enhancing the clean, uninterrupted lines. In both lighting and hardware, mid-century modern design captures a balance between artistry and restraint. It's functional without being plain, decorative without being ornate. Whether you're updating a space or building from scratch, choosing lighting and hardware inspired by this era is a timeless way to bring clarity, warmth, and character to your home. Thanks for joining us here at Antique Hardware Supply. If you're inspired to bring mid-century modern character into your own home, check the description below. We've included links to all the lighting and hardware pieces featured in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on classic and period-inspired design.